In this tutorial, we're going to look at the Tapestry Activity Catalogue section of the Activities feature on Tapestry. To find this, you just need to click on the Activities option at the top of the page. This will take you straight into the Tapestry Activity Catalogue, but if you're already in the Activities feature and on a different section, you just need to select the Tapestry Activity Catalogue tab at the top. All of the activities here have been curated by the education team at Tapestry. To narrow down the ones you see, you just need to select the category drop-down. And here you can just select the framework that is most suitable for you. So I'm just going to select Early Years Foundation Stage as an example. After doing this, it will bring up all of the activities for that category, but you can also further refine these by any additional categories that might be there for that framework. You can also return to see all of the activities again just by clicking on the Reset Category Form button. On this main page, you will see a title and a main image for each activity. If you want to plan an activity from it straight away, just click on the Use This in a Planned Activity button. Clicking on the cog button will also give you the options to add it to your own activity collection. Again, use it in a planned activity or download the media from it. To see the activity in full, just click on the title for it. Then scrolling down, you'll be able to see any photos, videos, or files that are attached. And in the notes section, you will see the activity itself. Underneath this, you'll also see flags which relate to the categories that we looked at earlier, so it's just a way of refining down the activities that you see. Then at the bottom, you'll see you have the options to either save the activity to your own collection or to start planning an activity from it. So that's the Tapestry Activity Catalogue section of the Activities feature. Do make sure to watch the video explaining your settings activity collection, how to add activities to your own activity collection, and the planned activities section.